Health benefits of watermelon. If you like watermelon, you'll be happy to hear that it is full of nutrients and not just water and sugar. Watermelon has a lot of vitamins and minerals and very few calories. When you think of summer, you probably think of watermelon and picnics. Because watermelon leaves you feeling fresh and has a sweet taste, it helps fight off the summer heat. It is also an easy and healthy dessert for kids and adults to enjoy. Watermelon seeds are also great for your health. Here's why. Hypertension. Watermelon seeds have a type of acid that fights hypertension, or high blood pressure. It doesn't only stop you from getting high blood pressure, but it also keeps your blood pressure at a normal rate. Lessen heart risk. Because watermelon seeds help keep your blood pressure healthy, it lessens the risk of heart disease and heart attacks. Mitigates cholesterol levels. Watermelon seeds have an acid that helps lower the cholesterol in the body and keep it at a healthy level. Fights back bacterial infection. The seeds of watermelon have a chemical that fights bacteria. These help fight infections in the body, like Klebsiella pneumonia and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Aid for inflammation. Watermelon seeds are good for bringing down swelling. They are used to treat edema and urinary tract infections. Healthy nervous system. Because watermelon seeds are full of vitamin B, they help keep the nervous system and immune system healthy. Diabetes treatment. You can boil watermelon seeds with water and drink them every day to help treat diabetes. Skincare. Watermelon seeds have oil that can keep the skin moist. They make the skin moist, glowing, firm, and fight signs of aging. Every woman wants to look younger. Watermelon seeds can help with that. They have antioxidants that keep your skin younger than your age. Eat just a few of them to feel the difference. Hair care. Watermelon seeds have melanin, which is good for your hair color. To use, roast, and eat a few watermelon seeds. Next time you eat watermelon, don't spit out the pits. Eat them for all the ways they can help you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.